Now, go to the so-called the practical method to achieve stabilization in particle suspension. We said, okay, within our colloidal suspension, we don't worry about the gravity, but we should worry about the van der Waals attractive force between particles forming soft agglomerate. To overcome it, fine particles, they have a tendency to flocculate. Due to this, van der Waals force larger than thermal or kinetic knocking force energy. So we need to introduce something. We need to introduce so-called repulsive force. Okay, between particles. Repulsive force between particles to stabilize our particle suspension. Make sense? The fine particle have tendency to come together. I need to add something to introduce so-called repulsive force. That's the trick to overcome it. And the things that we can play with, the first one is so-called electrostatic stabilization. Okay, electrostatic, which means we are going to try to introduce electrostatic charge onto the surface of our individual particles so that I would have similar charge, positive, positive, negative, negative, so that they can have so-called repulsion between similarly charged particles. Make sense? That's one method. The other one is so-called steric stabilization, which is, okay, repulsion between the particles if each of the particles are covered by, in this case, kind of neutral but polymers. Large molecule polymers. Believe it or not, those polymers actually do not really want to attach to each other. Probably because they are also charged. But they just do not exactly want to come too close to each other. You think if you have two different sponge, they are behaving like a polymer, and you put two different sponge together, they started to resist each other because they are sticking out. They don't want to, polymer molecules do not want to be packed too dense. That's the underlying repulsive force. They do not want to be packed too dense in a periodical fashion. Okay, that's the origin for the steric stabilization. We'll talk about it later. The last one is called electrosteric stabilization. It's a combination. The particle surface are covered by polymers, but in this case, the polymers also contain charge. So the polymers not only repel each other because they do not want to pack too closely due to the so-called entropy effect. The other one is they are also charged, similarly charged. Okay. And first, let's focus on the so-called electrostatic stabilization. Electrostatic stabilization.